Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. Now we discuss about the product automatic change analysis in satellite images using binary descriptor and landmass quantization. Now we discuss the abstract for the process. In this letter we present a novel technique for unsupervised change analysis that leads to a method of ranking the changes that occur between two satellite images occurred at different moment of time. The proposed change analysis is based on binary descriptors and uses the Hamming distance as a similarity matrix. In order to render a complete unsupervised solution, the obtained distances are further classified using vector quantization method, that is Lloyd algorithm for optimal quantization. Now we discuss about the flow diagram for the process. At first, the two input images is taken from the dataset. The dataset is nothing but the image folder which consists of the several images which is undergone for the process. After getting the two images from the dataset, the images are undergone for the process of the pre-processing. The pre-processing is nothing but the process of removing the noise from the image at initially. Then the binary descriptor it carried out. The binary descriptor for the first image is respected as an B1 and the binary descriptor for the second image is represented as the B2. After the binary descriptor, the binary images are calculated as an Hamming distance. The Hamming distance is the distance calculated for the two binary descriptor images B1 and the B2. After calculating the Hamming distances, the quantization is carried out. In this quantization, the image is deformed as an quantization. Then change intensity map also the calculator. The change intensity map is nothing but the finding the changes occurred in the satellite images from the first satellite and the satellite image from the second satellite. By the change intensity map only we have to analyze the changes occurred in the two images. Now we discuss the initial running procedure for the process. At first select the main.m file from the current directory and right click in that file, then select the third option or click the F9. Now the initial guide window was opened. In that you can see the several buttons in the left side and the display region in the right side. Now select the image from the dataset, so click the file to open and select the input image 1. Now the dataset folder consists of the several images. Now I select the first image, then similarly select the second image. Now I resize the image into the resolution of 500 x 500. Then I apply the Gaussian filter. Now the binary image is calculated. After the conversion of image into the binary, the Hamming distance is calculated. Now the another guide window was opened. In that I can display the image 1 and 2 and calculating the Hamming distance for the third image. Now the input image 1 is shown in the axis 1 with the title input image, and the input image 2 is shown in the axis 2 with the title input image. Then the distance calculated image is shown in the axis 3 with the image with the title distance image. Then the distance values is shown in the table below. Then select the ground truth for the image 1. Now I select the ground truth values from the manual cropping method. After that, similarly, I select the ground truth for the second image. Then click the correlation to find the correlation between the two images. Then click the button Quantization. After clicking the button Quantization, the color quantized image is shown in the axis 1 with the title Quantized Image 1. Then click the button CIM. The color intensity map is shown in the axis 1 and the axis 2, and I select the M range equal to 2. If you want to save the image means you can select the save as option. Now I once again select the M equal to 16, then the estimation is carried out. Now the processing time PS/MSE estimation is carried out. The each and every respected values is shown in the respected edit boxes. Now we have to plot the graph for the each and every values. The graph values are shown. After that, the bar graph is shown for the existing and proposed accuracies. Then if you want to close means you can select the close all.